You're here in this video. I'm going to show you how you are going to make a purchase of bots on our website and how you will start using it. Every guide that you need to complete a purchase and how you are going to start using it, how it's going to be beneficial to your business, and how you will be able to deploy, use it, and generate some documents from the chatting interface of these bots, and you start using the document based on your personal need. Right now, you are here on the website wiseai.com.ng. So this website, we actually have a number of AI workers on this website that you can actually deploy, start using. It's very simple and fast. If you cannot make the purchase, you can deploy, you can actually make a purchase through WhatsApp. Then our CX, customer experience, can handle your purchase and assist you with the payment. So it is very simple and straightforward. Now you can see a lot of bots here: data creation bot, viral creator bot, client onboarding bot, business assistant bot, copywriting bot. It's a lot actually. So let's now say you go here, AI workers. This is our shop page where you see a lot of bots and AI agents, right? Now, depending on the time you're watching this video and when you actually access this website, you may not see exactly what you see now, but at least you see exactly something very similar. So, these ad campaign bots, these blog writing bots, these brand messaging bots, brand assistant bots, client onboarding bots, content creation bots, a lot of bots here. And you can, so as time goes on, we keep on updating our information, right? So in case you see some different bots, it is still almost the same thing. So the only thing you need to do is to get exactly which of these bots or agents is beneficial to your business. And once you find the one that you actually need, this is digital content creator bot. So let's say, for example, I want to deploy this for my business. This is priced at 3,999 naira. You can see the prices here, 2,999 naira. You can see the pricing here, 2,000. This is 1,999 naira. So even though you're not sure about how these bots work or how it can actually work for you, so you can just test it out with any. So now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to test it out with this content creation bot. Now, if I don't know how I'm going to, like, deploy it and make payment on the website for one or two purposes, if I click on it, I should just go through that phases. You can just do order on WhatsApp. And when you click on this order on WhatsApp, like I'm doing now, if you're using your phone, you'll be seeing the same thing. It's going to take you directly to our chat where you can talk to our customer experience person. Then the person can actually help you to complete the purchase. So this is the link that will be sent to us on WhatsApp. So if I click on continue to chat, if it is on phone, I should be able to just do that easily. But here is on system, so I'll use WhatsApp web. So I can actually, so the WhatsApp is going to send the link and the information of the bot that you want to make a purchase to us. Then when we see it, we can guide you through your deployment and your purchase. It's very simple and precise. So while WhatsApp is loading, as an example, I'm still going to go back to the website, and let's assume that you want to go through the normal payment procedure. You just want to make payments and you'll be expecting, and once you make payment, we are going to auto send you the bot PDF. That is, the PDF will contain every information on the bot that you're buying or agent that you're buying. So you can see this content creation bot. You can read everything you need to know about this content creation bot. It's someone compelling content, enhance your audience, and so let's introduce the content conjurer, that is alias, right? So it's this conjure high quality engaging digital content that captivates and convert the content conjurer, your ultimate content creation solution. So now what can it do? It can cast spell on engagement, it can weave a web of words, it can conjure compelling visuals, it can enchant with interactive content. Now how does it work? Now you need to provide this bot with content which is the content conjurer with your content goals and your target audience. This is a bot, right? You need to communicate with it. It will only ask you question and you provide the answer. Now let's check the WhatsApp now. And once you land on WhatsApp, just send this to us. So once this is being sent to us, we will receive this information and we will assist you on how you are going to make payments, right? It's very simple. So I'm still talking about what this can actually do for you. Benefit of using this: you have high quality content, you have increased engagement, it improves your brand recognition, and it enhances your content return on investments, right? This is amazing. I'm telling you, this is very amazing. And the most interesting part of this bot is you will not need to start prompting and start looking for prompt engineer to start prompting to give you personalized information. No, this bot has been trained to ask questions that can help it to personalize all the information that is given to you. So now let's now say you send this to us, we assist you on how to make payments, and you make the payment, which I'm going to show you in this video. So the same thing here, you can still order on WhatsApp here, or you simply add your cards. So it's here. It's been added to the cart. Now let's view the cards. So this is our cart page. As you can see, what has been added to the carts. Now I think I have another another bot already in my cart, so I can remove this from my cart. I don't want to purchase two bots, but if you want to purchase several bots, just keep adding them to the cart. It's very simple and precise, right? And straightforward. So now I can do proceed to checkout to pay this amount of money, right? This amount, exactly how much I'm paying for that bot alone. Now I'm here on the payment page. If you don't have an account with us, just input your email here, right? Input your email here, then you check this one, create an account with Wise AI. So with your account, we can always communicate with you, we can keep track of your progress, we can help you, be sending automated email to you to help you with your business. But if you have an account, just leave it. But for me, I have an account, so I'm not going to check it. But if you don't have an account, just check it, right? Now, so everything is done, is fine. This is because I already have an account, right? So just check this and place order. So it's loading. Let's wait for it. Fine. So this is where you're going to input your card information. So if you are not confident about your card, it's not a problem. I prefer doing transfer, right? I prefer this transfer. This is Paystack Payment Gateway. We do not have any we don't have any control over this payment pop-up, right? This is Paystack. So this is Paystack Payment Gateway, right? You can see Paystack checkout. It is not our own creation, right? So you can just use this bank name, copy this account number, it's been copied, then this amount, you can copy this amount exactly. So you are going to pay this amount exactly to this account number, right? This is a bank name that you will select, and this information is going to expire in 30 minutes, right? So please, you are going to pay this within that allotted or allocated time frame. Okay, so you pay this amount exact amount. If you want to add more to this, maybe you want to appreciate our wonderful work, you can get our personal account or our company account number or our corporate account number to pay any amount that you want to pay us. But for this purpose, you're going to pay this exact amount. So the reason is to avoid failure, right? To avoid failure. That's why you're paying this exact amount. So the same thing, if you want to use OPay to just authenticate this with your phone number, if you want to use OPay. So now that is that. So once you pay for this through this interface, it's very simple. You are going to receive a PDF like this, right? The PDF is going to contain every information about the bot that you have made a purchase. You can see this PDF contain over 1,000 bots. This is actually our PDF, but this is not what we are going to send to you. We'll be sending you the PDF that contain only your bots, right? And every information that you need to know, and a video guide to help you to install and activate and interact with your bot, right? Now, so this is an example, and inside your bot, what you'll be looking for is the link. This is a link. So for this purpose of tutorial training you, I'm going to use this digital marketing bot. So you're just going to click on this link. It's loading now. Now, depending on your PDF reader, it may prompt you that it's not sure about the link you're following. Just click on yes. The link is very is very secure. It's a ChatGPT link, like we told you earlier. This is a ChatGPT bot, right? So you are going to be using a ChatGPT interface. Now we are here. You can see other bots that I've also interacted with, and you are here. This is the interface that you are going to see. So once you land on this interface, you know that you've had a powerful bot that have been able to complement more than what you pay for, because on our website we're giving out all these prices for giveaway prices around less than 10% of the original price, right? So you already have the powerful tools already at the front of you. So here is how to get started.